what's up everybody? Dan Henry here, and I want to show you something really cool. It is Thursday, January 10th. Okay, it's only 10 days into the month, and we have already hit $200,000 for the month in sales for our online course. We sell it through an automated webinar. We don't do live webinars. We don't do launches. These are just automatic, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, automated webinars that sell our online courses. And the vast majority of this did not come from a program on how to sell online courses. Completely different subject matter. So listen, if you're interested to learn the top 5 tips and things I learned from going from somebody who didn't even know how to outline their online course to getting to this level, completely automated, then go ahead and click the link included with this video and you can watch the presentation. It is not live, it is automated, but it has some awesome golden nuggets on what I learned going from zero to, I guess you could call hero with online courses. So if you need help with online courses, click the link and register. See you soon.